Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be looking at how Jeff Bezos became the most richest man on earth. Jeff Bezos is perhaps the most well-known as the founder and CEO of internet giant Amazon.com. His net worth has now surpassed $192 billion, making him not only one of the world's richest people, but wealthier than anyone else on the planet, dating back to at least 1982. Leaving burgers behind in 1995, Bezos stumbled upon the idea of an online bookshop. He left New York, moved into an apartment in Seattle, and started his side hustle from a garage whilst juggling his Wall Street 9-to-5. It was an alien concept back then. Microprocessors were barely booming and the internet was only just approaching the dial-up stage. Bezos also has substantial holdings in more traditional investments such as real estate, as well as a significant number of shares in other prominent companies. If you'd like to hear more videos, please comment below and make sure to watch our next video. Thank you.